In Adamawa State, more than 5,000 residents of Adamawa Community were treated for various ailments by the medical personnel of the Nigerian Air Force during a one-day medical outreach in the area. Cases of hypertension, diabetes, ulcer and eye defects were handled as part of activities lined up to mark 57 years anniversary of the Air Force and also targeted at assisting the vulnerable. Correspondent Wolabi Adenusi filed in this report.
At this free medical outreach organized by the Nigerian Air Force medical team are the vulnerable who cannot afford their medical bills. They express gratitude to the Chief of Air Staff and the medical team for coming to their aid in a period when poverty seems to be on the rise.
I came here, they checked my BP, they checked ulcer, they checked everything in short. They gave me different types of drugs to go and take.
There are some of people that they are sick, but they cannot afford to go to the hospital due to lack of funds. But if you look around, you can see many people are here. Why? Because they want to take this free medication.
Speaking at the occasion, Chief of the Air Staff, Air Marshal Adamawa said that as part of the social responsibility of the Air Force, they will continue to assist vulnerable citizens through health as a key logistic in winning the war against terrorism. Yes. The Chief of the Air Force, represented by Air Commodore Yamtamalwi, Commander 103 Strike Group, stressed on the efficacy of the medical outreach, urging the community to take advantage of the opportunity while it lasts.
The Chief of Air Staff, Air Marshal Adamawa, directed to carry out a special medical outreach to support the community as part of our civil-military responsibility.
Air Commodore Immunises, Commander 163 Nigerian Air Force, said the command hospital is accessible to members of the public. He called on the residents to always seek medical treatment and promised the Air Force will continue to play its part as a social responsibility and also ensure that the host community adopt preventive measures against sickness and diseases.
The program will continue until we see everybody here, and I pray that we'll all go home better informed, better treated, and in a better state of health.
The free medical outreach by the Air Force personnel to mark its 57 years anniversary has really brought succor to the less privileged in Adamawa Community in Adamawa State.